How's it going, everyone? Hopefully everyone had a good holiday. Hopefully you got your Christmas presents, and hopefully it was Primal driven stuff. Quick side note before we talk about the video, I posted a video called 5 people who should not drive Mustangs, and for some reason YouTube didn't push it out to you guys because initially it got taken down. So the video is up. I'll put it in the first link in the description so you guys can watch that. Real quick, we have 155,000 subscribers. Are you guys following my Instagram, Smurfinwrx? If you're not, I don't know why you're not. Do it. Follow it and I'll give you guys a hug. Without further delay, let's jump into this week's video. Now, you guys know I used to drive 3 different Chevys, 2 Camaros and a Corvette, so it kind of pains me to make this video. But since I made a video about Mustangs, I gotta be fair and do Chevys too. So this week's video is about 5 people who should not drive Camaros. Unfortunately, that probably includes me too. In this first video, my first Camaro looked pretty much like this, red without the hood scoop. This one is actually an SS, and well, they're doing questionable things. This guy's doing a burnout inside a parking lot with cars stacked on both sides. Without going into much detail, just watch the video. Roll it! I want to say I didn't expect that to happen, but come on, he's in a parking lot, showing off, in a Camaro. That was a pretty impressive first few turns, and then bang. Now for real, didn't those 2 young ladies seem like they're gonna kick some ass? Don't you think? It probably didn't help that the crowd was going crazy at the same time. Now let's rewind it a few frames. Who's this guy in the yellow? It seemed like he was trying to help him get away. All I know is someone's getting up. World star, baby. Let's move on to the next clip. Beautiful 1970-ish Camaro, correct me if I'm wrong, rolls out of nowhere and I guess decides to show off. And a very unexpected outcome. For the first few minutes, it seemed like the driver was doing okay. He even looked over, did some counter steering, looked pretty badass. And then all of a sudden he takes off, and for some reason, he loses control. Why? Now tell me, you didn't think that pole was gonna fall down. I thought it was gonna fall down. I just can't believe he f***ed up that car. I mean, that car is so pretty. This does go back to the thing when I said that when there's chicks involved, guys act real stupid. And obviously this guy's really old, but there were 2 chicks standing on the sideline, which I probably caused him to think with its little brain. I'm not sure what language they're speaking, but I probably can translate this because I'm an expert in most languages. This guy done f***ed up. This next clip, completely unexpected. I did not expect this to happen. When I saw the outcome of it, I was like, oh shit. Let me know if you guys have the same reaction. Ready? Roll it.
That's fucking crazy, man.
Crazy, right? Huge explosion, but it doesn't stop there. The owner steps out of the car, and it was odd because he was like really calm. So he goes to the back part of the car, and then he inspects it. Now, I can honestly tell you that I would not act the way he did. I would be more like, holy shit! Oh my god. This burnout competition was not even worth it. There's broken glass everywhere. Do you know how hard it is to clean glass out of the seats and the cushion? That's just me though, I'm a little more eccentric and loud. He kept calm. In his head, he was probably like me. So this next clip, it's a female driver. It's not necessarily because she's driving a Camaro. I don't think she deserves one because of the crap she's doing. She doesn't deserve this car because of what she did to it. Let's watch this one. Lady, really? You're gonna ram your car against a cop car, and then you're gonna do a burnout in front of the cop against his car. I don't know what was going through her head, but she knew she was going to jail. But hold on, let's rewind this real quick and focus less on the Camaro and this Benz driver. What's wrong with him? I mean, it looked like he freaked out. Like he saw the cop and the Camaro doing their crazy shit, and then he wanted to do a U-turn. He freaked out and didn't know what to do. So he tries to make a U-turn, but he does like a 3-point turn, and he ends up saying, F it. Let me just go ahead and pull into this driveway and hopefully no one notices. And that's where you get that fight or flight syndrome. You don't know what exactly to do. You're gonna fight or you're gonna run. Apparently this guy kind of just hid. Either way, if you watch the full video, that lady did get handcuffed and went to jail. This next one, it's gonna disappoint you beyond belief. It's a Camaro versus a Civic. I mean, usually it's a no-brainer, right? Oh, man. You know it's not gonna end well. That's why it's in my videos. Let's roll this one.
What you gonna do, Camaro? You about to get spanked, son. You about to get spanked, son. Uh-oh. You're a dumb bitch. You're a dumb bitch. Dumbass.
How do you f up a race against a Civic? I mean, for real. It's a Civic. And you're in a Camaro. Even if it's a V6 Camaro, it should take the Civic. And then tell me, how do you spin out? Do you know what I would do if I could? I would probably get his license and rip it up and shove it up his... Because people like him don't deserve cool cars like Camaros. Come on, dude, it was just a Civic. Really? But wait, the cameraman was rooting for the Camaro at first, wasn't he? Of course, he switched sides once he saw what the Camaro driver did. I'm disappointed in you. What did we learn today in those 5 videos? Honestly, probably nothing, except don't drive a Camaro and don't get caught doing stupid stuff because I will probably talk about it. What did you guys think of today's video? If you liked the video, give it a like. I know, I was very weird this time, but that's pretty much how I am. Side note for a channel update, this dash cam, which I did a review on, will be doing a giveaway very soon on this, and we're using the app called Gleam. A lot of you guys recommended this one. Well, I will be giving this away. I did a full review. If you guys haven't seen it, check out the latest video on this Pro dash cam called the Venture. And then the huge giveaway for the channel will be based on Primal, which is my clothing brand, for the 3 big mystery boxes. That giveaway is also coming very soon, so you guys can expect like in a month or 2 to have a bunch of giveaways for you guys. Typically I don't do giveaways on this channel, but because I promised you guys this, I promised you guys the Primal Driven, and you know what, I kind of just want to give back to the community because you guys have done so much for me. So a lot of things, fun things planned. Next episode will be on Wednesday, another episode will be on Friday, and anything in between will be a bonus video all week. Also, thank you so much for all of you guys who've been liking and sharing the video. The channel's grown a lot recently and I can't thank you guys enough for this. And it seemed like you guys want more vlogs, so I'm gonna pump out a few more vlogs extra during the week to give you guys some entertainment while you guys are on your winter break. But in the meantime, any questions, hit me up on Instagram, Smurfinwrx, Snapchat to watch my craziness all week. And as usual, check out PrimalDriven.com, TigerTires.com, and let's give me a big hug, yeah? And a fist bump. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Are you guys still watching? Good, because I am sitting here editing it and I wanted to add in a giveaway for you guys. So the guys who watch it all the way to the end, you have to enter a giveaway because I know some people are watching a video just for the giveaway. So this is kind of to reward you guys. And this is kind of like a dry run for our Gleam app because I haven't ever used it before. I'm sitting here trying to figure it out. And as of right now, here's the entry giveaway. If you guys go to my description, and you guys know how I always put like kind of the video stuff, all the sources. We go to the last part. So just scroll all the way down. You're gonna get a link, and that link, it says like gleam.io /competitions blah blah blah. Click that link, and you're gonna go to a page where you can enter. So basically, I guess how Gleam works is It allows me to set requirements for the entry, and then I get to track it and if it works. Once the competition closes, it automatically picks a winner, so I have no say in it. And we keep everyone really honest. Quick recap and exactly what you're winning. You're gonna win a Primal t-shirt. I will ship it for free for you guys. Primal packaging, which means it's in a nice box. It's gonna be gold bagged like Primal always does. And then it's gonna be packaged to you guys, sent to you guys. Everything's for free, kind of a reward for you guys. And this is the dry run. This is how you do it. Scroll down in my description box all the way to the bottom, and you're gonna see the link that says Gleam. Click that link. It's gonna go to this page. From that page, you can do it on mobile also, and then you're just gonna follow the instructions. Really easy. A few of the requirements will be subscribe to my channel, which you are already, that's why you're watching, and follow my Instagram, which obviously you already are doing that too. There's gonna be a few other things like go to my Facebook page and a few other bonus entries you can do. You don't have to do them, but they increases your chance of winning. So follow that. Gleam looks really cool, so hopefully this works out. Here's a bonus one. It's not in the requirement of Gleam, but do it for me just so I can see if it's working or not. In the comments of the video, put I did it at Smurfinwrx. That way it goes directly to me and I know you guys are talking about me. So just put I did it at Smurfinwrx. Don't give any other hints about a giveaway because I want to see who the diehards are. And if they are curious about it, they'll investigate it and we'll see what happens. But if this works out, I can probably do like random ass giveaways all the time throughout my like random videos. Because if Gleam works out, it looks pretty cool. But unfortunately, if I use Gleam a lot, I have to pay for its service, which kind of sucks, but I think we can might make it work out just for you guys. You guys got it? It's not rocket science. Just click the link, follow the instructions, do all that good stuff, and hopefully you guys enter. It ends also on Wednesday, so make sure you guys do it quickly, all right? Thanks, guys. Shh, don't tell anyone. Our secret. No bueno hits the other Mustang, very no bueno, and then slams into the Corvette. But did you guys see what happened? Take a close